Hi, it's me Vamp, and welcome back to another unboxing, I guess. This time we are unboxing this. Now this is not a sponsored video, I bought this with my own money, but it's a Samsung Portable SSD T7. Now I should actually, if I'm going to keep doing these unboxings, I should invest in some unboxing scissors, but this is simple enough to unbox without unboxing scissors. That was not. It is. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and take it out like so. We get to take it out. Yep. I think we have it upside down and okay. See, it's in a nice little white box at Samsung. Okay, and oh man, it's so small. I wasn't expecting it to be. Look, this is it. This is it. We have the looks like a USB-C plug right there. See, this is literally how it came. It's this right here. Yeah. Okay. We are going to go ahead, put this up to the side. It's so small. Okay, let's see what we have under here, because all unboxings have taught me that that's where your cables and stuff are. So let's go ahead and open this. I'll admit, this part is not as smooth as of an unboxing, because I gotta take this out of this, throw this off to the side, and then we have this here. These are your cables. Let's go ahead, open it. See what it comes with cable wise. Okay, so this looks like a USB-C to USB-A connector thingy, as well as a USB-C to USB-C cable. And do we have anything else? Instructions. And that's everything. This was just a small unboxing, I guess. I don't even think it's going to last 5 minutes, but let me know what you guys think. I got the 1 terabyte model myself. I like the slickness of the color. That's why I picked this over the red one or the blue one. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm excited to edit off of this, honestly. So let's see what happens. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.